Hi everyone. Today I am showing you the AVAPOW AV-D600 OBD2 Scanner, a professional diagnostic tool that could save you hundreds of dollars in mechanic fees. If you have ever had a check engine light come on and wondered what's wrong with your car, this device is about to become your best friend. Before we dive in, if you are new here and want more car tech reviews and money-saving automotive tips, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. It really helps the channel grow. This is not your basic code reader. While most cheap scanners only read engine codes, the AVD600 diagnoses four complete systems: engine, transmission, SRS, which is your airbag system, and ABS or anti-lock brakes. That means it can detect over 90% of vehicle faults that basic scanner completely miss. We are talking professional level diagnostics here. Here's where this scanner really pays for itself. It includes three essential maintenance reset functions. First, oil reset, clear those annoying oil change reminders after you do your own oil changes. Second, EPB reset, that's electronic parking brake reset, which you need after replacing brake pads. And third, battery match. This calibrates your vehicle's computer when you install a new battery. Dealerships charge $50 to $100 for each of these services. This scanner turns those complex jobs into 5-minute tasks you can do at home. Do just two or three of these resets, and the scanner has already paid for itself. Now let's talk compatibility. This works with 1996 and newer cars and small trucks that cause most vehicles on the road today. It supports 90 different OBD2 protocols, which is the technical way of saying it speaks the language of virtually every modern vehicle. And here is a really nice feature: auto VIN identification. Just plug it in and it automatically recognizes what vehicle you are working on. No complicated setup, no typing in vehicle information. This makes it incredibly beginner friendly right out of the box. The AVD600 includes 14 diagnostic features. You can read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, view live data graphs to see what's happening in real time, check IORM readiness status for smoke tests, review freeze frame data to see conditions when a fault occurred, perform battery tests, and monitor oxygen sensors. Whether you are prepping for a smoke test, inspecting a used car before buying it, or just troubleshooting a check engine light, this scanner has everything you need. It's a complete diagnostic solution, not just a basic code reader. Here's something really important: lifetime Wi-Fi updates at no extra cost. A lot of scanners require expensive subscriptions to stay current. Not this one. Connect it to Wi-Fi and download the latest DTC library. That's over 100,000 diagnostic codes plus new vehicle coverage every quarter. You don't need a computer. Just connect directly to Wi-Fi and your scanner stays compatible with a new car models for years to come. This future-proofs your investment. Let's talk about the physical design. AVAPOW gave this scanner an ergonomic handle with a non-slip grip. Most scanners are just flat rectangles that are awkward to hold. This one fits comfortably in your hand, which makes a huge difference during long diagnostic sessions. The curved grip reduces hand fatigue, and the sturdy construction means you can toss it in your glove box without worry. It's built for real-world use, whether you are doing a quick check or spending time in detailed diagnostics. The scanner comes with a durable storage bag for easy transport and protection. This is a tool that's built to last, making it a smart investment. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or running a small repair shop, bottom line, the AVAPOW AVD600 gives you professional level diagnostics at a fraction of what you had paid for mechanic visits. For system diagnostics, essential reset function, lifetime updates, and compatibility with thousands of vehicles. If you do any of your own car maintenance or just want to know what's actually wrong before heading to a shop, this scanner is absolutely worth checking out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more automotive tool reviews and car maintenance tips. Drop a comment below if you have any question about this scanner. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.